Are your screenshots or images showing blank icons instead of real thumbnails? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it in less than a minute. Sometimes Windows File Explorer stops showing preview thumbnails and instead displays a plain icon for every picture. This usually happens when thumbnail previews are disabled or when the thumbnail cache becomes corrupted. First, open File Explorer. Then click the three dots at the top. Choose Options from the menu. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Now look for the setting that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Make sure this box is unchecked. This will allow Windows to show real thumbnail previews for your images instead of plain icons. Next, we need to rebuild your thumbnail preview cache. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Open it, select your system drive, and check the box labeled Thumbnails. Then click OK to clean them. Windows will automatically recreate fresh thumbnails. If your thumbnails still don't appear, search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. In the list, make sure the option Show Thumbnails Instead of Icons is turned on. And that's it. Your image previews should be visible again in File Explorer. If this helped you, feel free to share it with someone facing the same issue.